All right guys, so today we're going to be installing some wheel spacers on my trailer. And we're also going to be installing some wheels as well. So I'm going to need to torque down not only the spacers, but also the wheels. We're going to go ahead and use a VEVOR Torque Wrench. This one is brand new. I just got a chance to unbox it and check it out. It comes with a case that's very, very durable. Now the overall width of this unit, or length of this unit, is about 25 inches. It's going to give you a good leverage over your typical wrenches because it's of how long this one is. Not only that, this is a 1/2 inch drive. You've got between a 25 to 250 pound torque range. So there is a different model that only does up to 37, but this one in particular does up to 250. Now there are different modes here on this wrench. I have it currently set at 90 pounds. So depending on your vehicle spec or your tire spec, you can easily adjust it. And once you adjust it, it does show on the top right hand corner what the pound is set at. And you can have presets if you have different things that you're oftenly doing. And this is defaulted at 0, so as soon as you put some weight and torque into it, you're going to see that digital dial move. Now it runs off of a AA battery, 2 AA batteries. You've got this circular piece here that allows you to remove the battery and add it in. You press the power to turn on and off. Make sure you turn that off afterwards, or else it will drain. You've got 2 socket adapters here. Now this unit does have warranty, so make sure you fill out your warranty card so you can get the warranty on it. And each unit does come with a certification to show that it's been certified. They do recommend after 12 months or 5,000 uses, depending how often you use this, to get it calibrated again, which you can easily do with the instructions. Now, what I really like about this, besides the alloy steel and the ergonomical handle, is that it actually buzzes when it hits the right torque setting that you set. So if you're in a really loud environment and you can't hear the slight beep on there, it will give you a quick vibration that shows that you did hit whatever torque spec that you set it at. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be locking this hub up so that we can get everything tightened up. Let's go ahead and get this going. So I currently have it on jack stands. I'm actually going to move this and put this on a block so that the hub doesn't move and I'm able to actually torque it down properly. All right, let's go ahead and remove or split up the spacers. I'm changing this from a 5 lug to a 6 lug so it can fit my TRD wheels. Okay, now I got my hex adapter on here. Let's go ahead and remove this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the thread locker that was included. All right, I'm just gonna run my hand through the side just to make sure that it is even. I don't want it to spin very awkwardly. So let me go ahead and head over to this side. Okay. Let me lower the jack. All right, so it's still moving on this block. What I think I'm going to do is actually use a breaker bar. I don't have a bar right now, but I have a crossbar. I'm basically just putting it on the ground so that it will hold and keep it in place while I lock it down. All right, there's a beep right there. I'm not sure if you guys hear it, but it does vibrate and it does beep when I hit 90. Okay, just one more to do. Okay, let's retighten everything one more time. Okay. Okay, last one, I'm gonna redo this one. Okay, there you go. All right, next thing that we're going to be doing is putting this on. This is going to allow me to have 6 instead of 5. You do want to line it up like so. Okay, perfect. Let me just lay this down real quick so I can start putting some thread locker. Change the hex. Just gonna take a regular piece of wood, 2x4, whatever you have. This is just gonna lock it in place. Final check. All right, there you go. Everything's torqued down. Okay, now let's torque. Everything is nice and tight. There you have it, guys.